How to download WhatsApp on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to download WhatsApp, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search WhatsApp app. And click on install. After click on install, you will see your app is installed. After installing, app is showing on your app screen. So go back, you will see app is here. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.